Hi guys, you know that 2026 is fast approaching, and a lot of us that did not get monetized, we small creators that did not get monetized, we hope that next year will favor us. But that does not mean that we're going to just fold our hands. We need to keep making progress, keep making research, and then updating ourselves, especially in the coming year, based on the new YouTube policies flying here and there. And in this video, I'm going to share with you some of the things that I will be doing. Of course, I will be doing these things starting from now. I'll be doing them because I don't need to wait until 1st of January to implement them. Anything can happen, can change. Okay, so yeah, by the way, I welcome you all. Happy Christmas, happy Boxing Day in arrears, and happy New Year in advance. Thanks to all my subscribers, the 32 people watching me. I mean, the subscriber count skyrocketed from 17 to 32, and I'm so grateful. Thank you so much. So let us get straight to the point. One of the things that you have to do to make it better, I have them written here. One of the things you have to do to make it better is, one, your personality voice. Like, especially for the people doing this YouTube automation, AI videos, it is actually better off if you use your natural voice to create those stories. Like after designing, using all those apps that you used to design and all that, it will be better for you to use your voice. Like, let your voice be heard. Because in one of my videos at the beginning of this channel, I made a video where I talked about the importance of the originality, how YouTube rewards originality. But of course, AI has come to stay and people will keep using them no matter what. So while you're using this, as much as possible, you have to recreate the whole picture to look human, okay? You have to use your voice, like your voice needs to be heard, all right? So that's the number one thing. Number two is content quality. Will I have to say much on this? Because you know that if you maybe in the old channel, like people who have been on YouTube for the past 5 to 10 years, I think YouTube was much more favorable then, because it's almost like anything that you post, you definitely get a lot of views. But as time goes on, it's not that easy anymore. So the quality of your content, you have to look out for the description, the tags. These are things I don't even do before. I don't even do, like, I just make video and upload. I don't even use ChatGPT to check for anything. I just, crack out my title, crack out my description, I don't even tag my videos. Like, I never thought about it until recent when I was making my research. I started putting tags in my videos. I mean, in my workout channel though, I started using ChatGPT to know. I mean, it's not like I copy it verbatim, but I always, at least it will direct you on the right keywords, right tags, and all that. Okay, so the quality of your videos, the content, are you passing out information that people need to hear? I mean, are you putting the right tags? Are you putting the right description? Are you putting the right title and all of that? Okay, so the quality of your content matters. If you're like me, who have been so nonchalant about it, waiting for miracle to happen for me to get 1,000 subscribers overnight, I think it's time for you to look into all of this. Start optimizing your SEO, that's the search engine optimization or whatever. Start putting beautiful and catchy tags, keywords, description, title, and then thumbnails. Okay, now there are a lot of videos on this here on this YouTube, so you don't even have to, it's not something that I have to go and look for in the library. The library is already this YouTube that both of us are already on the streets. I've already gotten a queue. Let me put it that way. So all you have to do is to be patient enough to go through my videos, okay, and other people doing similar things that I do, Go through those videos and then draw out your conclusion. Okay, use your initiative. It's not everything that everybody says that you do. Okay, while watching, you watch many videos, watch this person, watch this person, watch this person, you realize a common thing among all of them, and you also realize their similarities, and then use your initiative. Go to the YouTube what do you call it, policy guideline, okay, so that you'll be able to not fall a victim. Okay, you will not fall a victim of YouTube policies. You will not get a strike and all that. And then the last but not the least I have here is the reality of the whole thing. As a growing channel like you and I, you have to be patient, because the old people, the OGs, are being rewarded better than us. Let me just be frank. Okay, you can be doing the same thing as the OGs are doing, the same thing they are doing. You can be doing everything, but be rest assured, they have gotten the platform, like they've gotten the what do you call it, the audience. They've gotten the audience, they've gotten the popularity, they know their ways, around this whole thing better than us. Sometimes even they themselves, they still complain that they're not getting enough views, but that is not the same as us, because their own is to start, to be cashing out. Their complaint is that they are not getting enough views for them to be cashing out. You and I, we are still trying to get monetized. We are still trying to get monetized. So there is no way it will be the same with us. Okay, YouTube have already known them, and they know their way around this whole thing better than you and I. So they will be rewarded better than us. But of course, you have to know that even the old channels, the big YouTubers, they were once like us, they were once small like us. Some of them, it took them years. You see, some people, it took them 2 years, 3 years before they got monetized. Somehow, we're even kind of lucky. You see a lot of people monetizing within 1 month, 2 months, 3 months, and all that. But a lot of the big YouTubers, it took them like a year, 2, 3 before they got their 4,000 watch hours and their 1,000 subscribers. So as much as you want to be like them, just remember that they were once like us, and somehow, the YouTube will still reward them better than us. But at the end of the day, we'll all get there. All right, thanks so much for watching. If you have watched up to this point, I'm grateful. Remember to subscribe, remember to like, share, and drop your comments, and then I'll see you in the next video. For now, have a good day and bye.